Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. Currency trading ended today with the US dollar selling for $137.71. The Canadian dollar closed at $103.82. The pound sold for $167.54, while the euro closed the day at $154.03. Listed company iCreate is reporting a net loss of $7 million for the quarter ended June 30. It suffered a $6 million loss during the same period last year. iCreate says the losses were primarily due to increased operating expenses associated with its expansion activities. On the stock market, the JSE index lost 742 points today, while the junior market index declined by 36 points. Among today's winners were Cygnus Credit Investments, Radio Jamaica, Siboney Group, and Lasco Financial Services. On the losing side, Paramount Trading, Cargo Handlers, CAC 2000, Derriman Trading, and Key Insurance Company. And that's the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. Good evening.